Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today, I want to share with you a recipe for oven-baked ground meat kapuska cabbage stew, which is easy to make and wonderfully delicious. For our recipe, I used half a small cabbage. As you can see in the video, cut off and remove the core. Let's chop our cabbage. I chopped it to a medium thickness. If you prefer, you can chop it thinner. In fact, if you chop it thinner, it will be even better. While chopping, cut off and remove the hard parts of the cabbage. Let's soak the chopped cabbage in vinegared water, changing the water a few times, then wash it. Afterward, transfer it to a colander and drain it thoroughly. For our ground meat mixture, put 1 Turkish coffee cup of vegetable oil or olive oil into a pan. Add 250 grams of medium-fat ground meat to it. If you wish, you can increase the amount of ground meat or use diced meat instead. Stir and break up the ground meat over high heat until its color changes. Continue to sauté the ground meat until it has absorbed its own released juices. Then, finely chop 1 large onion and add it. Continue to sauté over medium heat. Finely slice 2 medium carrots into rings and add them. Continue to sauté for a few more minutes. I added about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 1 teaspoon of red paprika. Adjust the amount of salt and spices according to your taste. Then, add 1 tablespoon each of tomato paste and pepper paste. Continue to sauté until the raw smell of the pastes disappears. Add 2.5 cups of hot water, using a 200 ml measuring cup. Cook over low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, then remove from the stove. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 freshly squeezed lemon to the thoroughly drained cabbage. And rub it in your hands until the cabbage softens slightly and releases its juice. Then, pour the previously prepared ground meat mixture over it and mix well. Transfer our mixture into a large rectangular glass baking dish, borkum. Or you can use a deep baking tray. Press lightly to flatten the top. Pour 1.5 cups of hot water over it. Crumple a piece of wet parchment paper in your palm and place it on top. Let it bake in a preheated 250 degrees Celsius oven for approximately 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, remove the parchment paper from the top. Place about 100 grams of butter, cut into small cubes, on top. You can add it during the initial baking stage. I'm adding it now because I forgot. Then, put our dish back into the oven. Let it bake uncovered for about 10 to 15 minutes more. Then, remove our dish from the oven. It has cooked for a total of about 1 hour. As you can see, our oven-baked ground meat kapuska, with its easy preparation and wonderful taste, is ready to serve. Serve hot. Bon appétit to those who will try it. If you watched my video this far and liked it, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching.